Hello everyone, I am Thamizharasu, your business coach. Welcome to our channel where we bring you the most practical and effective business strategies. Today we are taking deep dive into the world of online businesses. We will explore everything from the fundamentals, the variety of business models you can choose from, the crucial role of digital marketing, the tools needed to streamline your operations and much more. Whether you are a seasoned entrepreneur looking to pivot online or a budding business owner starting your journey in the digital marketplace, this comprehensive guide is designed to empower you with the knowledge you need to master the art of online businesses. So without further ado, let's get started.
1. Understanding the fundamentals of an online business. First things first, it's important to understand what an online business is. At its core, an online business operates primarily on the internet, selling goods or services directly to consumers. It can take various forms, from e-commerce stores and online courses to digital marketing agencies and affiliate marketing. The fundamentals include a strong business idea, a professional website, a customer acquisition strategy, and a means to handle transactions securely. 2. Selecting the perfect online business model. There's a wide variety to choose from, such as e-commerce, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, blogging, and digital products. Your choice should align with your business goals, budget, skills, and interests. 3. The role of digital marketing in online business. Next up is digital marketing. It's a powerful tool that can grow online businesses. It includes SEO, social media marketing, content marketing, and email marketing. When done right, digital marketing can attract more visitors, convert them into customers, and encourage them to become repeat buyers. 4. Essential tools for running an online business. Running an online business requires several tools. There's software for operations, communication, project management, customer service, and more. Familiarize yourself with tools like Google Workspace for productivity, Slack for communication, Trello for project management, and Zendesk for customer service. 5. Effective strategies for building an online brand. Brand building is essential in the online marketplace. To build a strong online brand, focus on understanding your target audience, creating a unique brand voice, and delivering consistent brand messages across all your digital platforms. 6. Financial aspects of starting an online business. We mustn't forget the financial aspects. There are startup costs, potential profits, and tax obligations to consider. It's important to plan your finances effectively to ensure the sustainability and growth of your business. 7. The importance of website design in online business. A well-designed website plays a significant role in online business success. It needs to be user-friendly, mobile-optimized, and visually appealing. Remember, your website often serves as the first point of contact between your business and potential customers. 8. Leveraging social media for online business growth. Social media is a powerful platform for business growth. It can help you engage with your audience, promote your products, and even provide customer service. The key is to identify the platforms where your target audience spends the most time and focus your efforts there. 9. Building and maintaining customer trust in an online business. Trust is crucial in online business. Secure payment methods, transparent customer service, and positive online reviews can all enhance customer trust and boost your business's reputation. 10. Legal considerations for an online business. Legal considerations, such as privacy policies, terms of service, and business structure are paramount when starting an online business. Be sure to research and comply with all legal requirements in your region to avoid potential issues down the line. 11. The role of SEO in online business success. Lastly, let's talk about SEO. Search engine optimization can greatly improve your visibility on search engines, increase website traffic, and even influence sales. Investing in SEO is a strategic move for any online business. Running an online business can be an exciting and profitable venture if done right. It requires understanding, effort, and continuous learning. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into various aspects of starting and running an online business. Remember, every successful online entrepreneur started from scratch, so can you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Thank you for watching.